Ever wondered why some brands are instantly recognizable while others fade into obscurity? What makes a brand resonate with its audience? Let's delve into the answers. Welcome to the summary of our enlightening course, Branding Brilliance, Building a Consistent Brand Identity. This summarized journey will give you a taste of the valuable insights that you can gain from the full course. We'll be exploring the world of branding, from the importance of a consistent brand identity to the art of creating compelling channel art, memorable logos, and impactful intros. In our fast-paced digital world, where content is king, it's not just about creating great content. It's about wrapping that content in a brand identity that's as unique and engaging as the content itself. A strong and consistent brand identity is the secret sauce that sets successful content creators apart from the rest. So, what is a brand identity, you ask? It's the visual representation of your brand's values, personality, and promises. It's not just a logo or a color scheme. It's the cohesive image that communicates who you are, what you stand for, and why your audience should care. Throughout this course summary, we'll be touching on the key elements that form a strong brand identity. We'll discuss how to design channel art that captivates your audience, craft a logo that's unforgettable, and create an intro that sets the tone for your content. And most importantly, we'll delve into the art of maintaining consistency across all these elements, ensuring that your brand is instantly recognizable and resonates with your audience. Branding isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. It's a unique journey for every content creator, reflecting their unique voice and vision. Our course summary aims to empower you with the knowledge and tools to embark on this journey, helping you carve out a brand identity that's as unique and captivating as your content. Remember, branding is not just about aesthetics. It's about fostering connections, sparking recognition, and creating a cohesive image that embodies your brand's values. So, buckle up and let's embark on this exciting journey into the world of branding brilliance. What's in a name? In the world of branding, it's more about the image and the feeling it invokes. Let's dive into the first module of our course, the importance of branding. Picture this: you walk down a supermarket aisle, and your eyes are instantly drawn to a product. You may not know why, but there's something about its colors, its logo, its packaging that resonates with you. That, my friends, is the power of branding. Branding is the process of creating a distinctive identity for your content or product. It's your business's personality, its values, its voice. It's what sets you apart from the crowd, making your content recognizable and memorable. Now, why is branding so crucial, you ask? Well, consider the sea of content creators out there. Each one is striving to grab the audience's attention, to be heard above the noise. In such a scenario, a strong, consistent brand identity can be your lifeboat. It helps you stand out, attracts your target audience, and fosters loyalty. Think about some of the most successful content creators or companies. What do they have in common? A strong, consistent brand identity. Their logos, their color schemes, their tone of voice, everything is in harmony and instantly recognizable. That's what we aim to achieve with our branding. But let's not forget, branding isn't just about being visually appealing. It's also about the values you represent, the promises you make to your audience, and how consistently you fulfill them. A brand isn't built overnight. It requires thought, effort, and most importantly, consistency. Consistency in branding cultivates familiarity. The more familiar your audience is with your brand, the more likely they are to remember and engage with your content. It's a simple yet powerful concept. Familiarity breeds recognition, and recognition breeds loyalty. But how do you create a consistent brand identity? It starts with understanding your brand's core values and your target audience. What do you stand for? Who are you trying to reach? Once you have these answers, you can start to create a visual and verbal identity that reflects these values and appeals to your audience. Remember, your brand identity is not just about your logo or your tagline. It's about the total experience you provide to your audience, from the content you create to the way you engage with your followers. It's about creating an emotional connection with your audience, one that fosters trust and loyalty. So, as you embark on your journey to create or refine your brand identity, keep these insights in mind. Understand your values, know your audience, and strive for consistency in all aspects of your brand. Remember, a strong brand is more than just a logo or tagline. It's an experience that fosters connections and builds loyalty. First impressions matter. Your channel art is the first thing viewers see. Make it count. In the bustling digital landscape, standing out is more critical than ever. With countless channels vying for viewer attention, your channel art becomes a crucial differentiator. It's your visual handshake, the first impression you make on your audience. And as we all know, first impressions matter. Module 2 of our course zeroes in on the art of designing compelling channel art. It's not merely about making your channel look good. It's about creating a visual representation of your brand's identity, personality, and values. Your channel art speaks volumes before your content even begins to play. It sets the mood, piques curiosity, and primes your audience for what's to come. Let's first talk about imagery. Your choice of images should be a reflection of your brand's personality. Whether you opt for abstract graphics, stylized photos, or minimalist designs, ensure they resonate with your brand's ethos. This visual consistency helps viewers associate your content with your brand, enhancing recognition and recall. Next, we delve into the world of colors. Colors are a powerful tool in your branding arsenal. They evoke emotions, set the mood, and communicate your brand's vibe. A vibrant palette might be perfect for a fun, energetic brand, while a subdued monochromatic scheme could suit a more serious, professional channel. Your color choices should align with your brand persona, creating a cohesive visual experience that bolsters your brand identity. Layout is another key aspect of channel art. A well-organized, balanced layout not only looks aesthetically pleasing, but also enhances readability and navigation. Keep your design clean and uncluttered, allowing your brand elements to shine. Remember, less is often more when it comes to effective design, but it's not just about individual elements. It's about how these elements come together to form a cohesive whole. Your imagery, colors, and layout should work in harmony, conveying a consistent brand message. This consistency is what builds familiarity and trust with your audience. In essence, your channel art is a visual manifestation of your brand story. It's a canvas where you can express your brand's ethos, values, and personality. It's your opportunity to create a lasting first impression, to captivate viewers, and to invite them on a journey with your brand. So when designing your channel art, think beyond aesthetics. Consider how each element contributes to your overall brand identity. Remember, your channel art is more than a decorative banner. It's a powerful branding tool that can set the tone for your entire channel. Channel art is not just about aesthetics, it's your brand's visual handshake. Make it memorable. A logo isn't just an image, it's your brand's signature. It's the symbol that encapsulates your values, your mission, and your vision. In the third module of our course, we delve into the fascinating world of logo design. Crafting a memorable logo is a critical step in building a consistent brand identity. It's like creating a visual shorthand for your brand. A symbol that's easily recognizable and immediately associated with your content. The first element of an effective logo is simplicity. A great logo is not overly complicated or intricate. It's a design that anyone can easily remember and sketch. Think about some of the most iconic logos in the world. Apple's apple, Nike's swoosh, or McDonald's golden arches. They all share a common trait: simplicity. Next, we have relevance. Your logo should reflect your brand's personality and speak to your target audience. If you're a gaming channel, for instance, a playful animated logo might be a good fit. On the other hand, a travel vlog might opt for something more serene or adventurous. Then comes versatility. In today's digital age, your logo will appear in many different places, from your YouTube channel art to your social media profiles, even on merchandise. So it's crucial to have a logo that looks great in all sizes and formats. And finally, we have differentiation. Your logo should set you apart from the competition. It's your chance to make a unique statement about who you are and what you do. So don't be afraid to think outside the box and create something truly unique. But remember, while a logo is an integral part of your brand identity, it's not the be-all and end-all. It's just one piece of the puzzle. Your logo needs to work in conjunction with your channel art, your intro, and all other aspects of your brand identity to create a cohesive and consistent image. Remember, a logo is more than a design. It's a symbol that tells a story, your brand story. So as you embark on your logo design journey, ensure that it's a story worth telling, a story that resonates with your audience and makes them want to be a part of it. Branding is a journey, not a destination, and every journey begins with a single step. We've journeyed together through the importance of branding, the art of designing compelling channel art, crafting memorable logos, and creating impactful intros. We've explored the power of consistency in brand identity, but this is just the beginning. Dive deeper into each module and let your brand embark on its own journey towards brilliance. Take the first step towards branding brilliance. Enroll in the full course today and transform your brand identity.